Working on ways to improve how sea level rise is tracked and how accurately it can be forecast.
Our meteorologist Heather Waldman joins us now. Heather spoke with one of the researchers who's developing a new tool to highlight the impact of tidal flooding. So Heather, what does the data show?
Well, Edie and Lisa, it shows that while coastal flooding isn't currently a regular issue for the California coast, that could change this century. When we think about climate change and rising global temperatures, a lot of the focus is on air temperatures, which makes perfect sense since that's a change that we notice the most. But the bulk of Earth's warming is actually happening in the oceans, and that's accelerating sea level rise. Scientists with NASA have developed a flooding analysis tool to help localize the projected impacts. Dr. Ben Hamilton, a research scientist with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, explains how sea level rise increases the risk for events like tidal flooding.
As sea level rises, that foundation of sea level goes up. The tides and everything that operates on top of it, that moves on top of it, is going to combine to drive increases in high tide flooding. So where we don't see a big problem now, we can really expect over the next couple of decades to start to see a very expanded problem.
Hamilton says that many factors contribute to sea level rise and resulting increase in tidal flooding. On a global scale, things like melting ice caps and rising ocean temperatures. And on a local scale in California, things like earthquakes and groundwater depletion, both of which can lower the ground near the coast. El Nino patterns, which are marked by warmer than average ocean temperatures in the tropical Pacific, can also contribute to temporary water level rises. Here's a look at some of the projections from NASA's flooding analysis tool, which takes all of those factors into account. You're looking at San Francisco right now, and that red line marks when they're expecting at least 20 days per year with tidal flooding incidents in that area. That would occur by the year 2057. If we move on to the Monterey area, you can see that line for 20 or more days occurs by the year 2056. And finally, in Southern California, specifically San Diego, having at least 20 days with tidal flooding each year could occur as soon as 2024. And at this particular location, it's possible to have more than 50 days like this by the year 2057. Hamilton says he hopes that this tool can help coastal communities understand and plan for the risks ahead. While coastal flooding will most significantly threaten the southeastern U.S. coast, erosion will become more of a challenge for areas along the west coast. Back to you.